Oh, alright. Yo, what is up, boys? It is your boy, Aaron Martinez here, and today we're gonna be doing some weird shit. No, do it. Alright, guys, so today we're gonna be learning cooking 101 with avocados. Alright? This is gonna be dope. Alright, so what we're gonna need is some,
What are you looking for?
the fuck is a hammer?
Let's see.
Alright.
Did you find it yet?
No.
No, not in here.
Hey, look, they're committing 9/11. Oh, I found it. Alright, so you got your hammer, right?
Uh-huh.
Avocado. This is legit, guys. This is not fake. That's for our next video. Move.
That's for our next legit food review.
Thank you, my brother. Move. So you get the avocado in here, right? And you just smash it. And what you want for this recipe
Uh-huh.
is the centerpiece. It's really important. Most people think that you can't cook with the centerpiece, but they're wrong.
They're all wrong, man.
Oh. Excuse me. Alright, so you got your little thing right there, right?
Uh-huh.
Right there. You see it? Alright, so what we're gonna do, so you gotta get this, throw it at the camera, and move all that to the side.
Okay.
Then get that,
Mm-hmm.
take a hammer, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna wanna mush it. Excuse me. And you're just gonna wanna mush it until it has gay side. And you're pretty much done. See this? This is a nutritious piece. I'm gonna get down with this one. Just gonna clean it up. All right. So guys, it's nutritious. Trust me. It's nutritious. Fuck your family, bitch. Fuck you. And yeah, look, see this part? It's nutritious. Look, this part. See, it's an actual avocado piece. Fuck you anyway. But so yeah, it's very nutritious. It's that I don't like the taste. Only my mom does. That's gay. Anyway, guys. Legit food review. It's fucking terrible.
Okay.
We're gonna go over the 3 F's on food, which is fuck. It was fuck you
That
and fat and
food.
food. The fat, it'll give you diabetes in 3 weeks. I know this because I'm a doctor as well. Legit, I have my license right there. See, it's right there. Right, and I got my license in Fairyland, so that's why it's real. And anyway, guys, and the last one, it's fucking terrible. I hate it, but it's nutritious. That's what it's good for. Anyway, guys, peace out. Rock on.
Okay, sir. We need to arrest you now.
No.